Since 1994, Hank's House has become a leader in residential cabinetry in New Mexico and the surrounding region. Hank's House is a family business started by two brothers, native New Mexicans, Ron and Chris Hanks. Their success is due to the ability to take their love of our Southwestern lifestyle, an uncompromising attention to design, craftsmanship, and service to create life-changing beauty in the homes of their clients. Whether you're starting from scratch or remodeling your existing space, your idea starts the whole process. Tell us what you want, and together with our experience, we'll draw up a plan that inspires what you've imagined and budgeted for. Need help? Hank's House Live Showroom is sure to give you lots of ideas. From there, we'll take our products and design skills to create your kitchen space complete with surfaces, fixtures, and appliance recommendations. That's right, Hank's House can order and install your new appliances right along with your cabinets. No running around to see what's available and trying to coordinate delivery and installation. We take care of it all, on time and within budget. Whether your cabinets are created in our shop or ordered from one of our cabinet partners, our design team will personally oversee every step of the process from concept to completion. Once your order is complete, we stage it in our shop for a final inspection prior to installation in your home. Whether your style is contemporary or traditional, rustic or elegant, at Hank's House, your satisfaction is our commitment. Come visit our beautiful live showroom at 1800 4th Street Northwest or visit us online at hankshousedesign.com. Once you get to know us, you'll love us.